So why don't you go ahead and go to GitHub. And let's create a new one. And we'll call it Zignificant, all lowercase. And then we'll put a, no, you know what? Don't put a description. We'll make it public. We will go ahead and choose a license. And in the comment section, go right there in the description. This is the Road to Code sample project. And so click on add README file. Go ahead and add a gitignore file. And we're going to put Visual Studio in the box. Yep, Visual Studio. And then the license, the only license that I'm familiar with is MIT. So if you just select the MIT license, I think that should be good enough. We don't want to restrict people from doing their own thing. There's really not, we're not going to make a ton of money on creating this project. This is just more for educational purposes. So I figured the MIT license would be the best license to put. If we got it wrong, tell us in the comments, like tell us how we could improve this. So go ahead and grab the link to this repository. And let's go and open up your Git terminal. So in here, go ahead and do you have a repos folder on your C drive?
I believe so. Yes.
Sweet. Okay, cool. So let's go back to your terminal. And so in your terminal, type in cd space / and then C and then / again, and then repos, and press enter. There you go. Now you're in your repos folder. And let's do an LL again. Nice. Okay. Awesome. So in here, go ahead and do a git space clone and then paste in that URL. And press enter. Excellent. And then let's go ahead and CD into that folder.
Okay.
Nice. Okay, cool. Let's go back into Visual Studio. Yeah, so let's go ahead and create a new project. And we're going to empty it. We're going to use an empty solution or a blank solution. And we're going to call this one Zignificant. Uppercase Z and then lowercase everything else. Okay, so let's go ahead and this should be already saved. So let's go ahead and close Visual Studio for a moment, because I'm going to show you what Visual Studio did that would prevent us from doing things that we want to do in the future. So go ahead and go into the Significant folder. Oh, where's your solution? Oh, we didn't put it in the repos. You put it in your projects. So okay, this is cool. This is cool. Go into Documents, into your Documents folder, and then is there a Visual Studio?
Mm-hmm.
And then go into the C repos Significant folder and paste it in here. Now, had we created it in here, it would have created a Significant folder inside the Significant folder. And that's something that we didn't want. So what I was going to have you do is actually move the solution to the root folder of Significant and get rid of that folder that it created. But it created it somewhere else, so it doesn't no harm, no foul. We just moved it into here. It'll bring up Visual Studio for us automatically. Excellent. And so now what we want to do is we want to right click on that solution and we want to add a console application.